For amazing caramel apples, a stop at the Caramel Apple Chick in Friendswood, Texas is a must. Come on in and let's take a look.
When you're traveling through Texas, you're bound to get hungry. Join Joe as he eats his way through the Lone Star State. This is Texas Chronicles Pit Stop with Joe Perez.
We are at the Caramel Apple Chick. We're housed inside of Power Fit Eats in Friendswood, Texas, in the Captain's Corner Shopping Center. At Power Fit Eats, we have lots of vendors, but the Caramel Apple Chick specifically, we make gourmet chocolate-covered caramel apples. We have over 30 flavors. We have caramel apple pie, pecan, Heath, M&M, Oreo,
Butterfinger, peanut butter Biscoff,
peanut butter pretzel. We also do custom flavors. If you have a special request, we can make anything you'd like. Yes, we have seasonal apples. We do decorated apples with fondant and different sprinkles, just different kind of creations, and we do one for each holiday. There's almost a holiday in every month except for August. So that's the month that we don't, but we do back to school apples during August and September. For October, we have our Halloween apples. November, we have Thanksgiving, we have Christmas, we have New Year's, Valentine's Day, we have all sorts of apples. Yes, we use my grandmother's recipe. My grandmother loved to cook. She loved to cook with garlic mostly, but she did occasionally make something sweet. And so she has a caramel apple recipe, and during COVID, I spent a lot of time. I had a new baby during COVID, and you know, we were all inside, so I spent a lot of time perfecting this recipe. Caramel is very delicate, very easy to burn, so I had a lot of time on my hands, and I spent this time perfecting the recipe and making sure that I could duplicate it over and over and over again. Yes, we started in the end of 2020. It was actually Thanksgiving. We made some little turkey apples, and I gave them away to my friends, and my friends were like, "These are good, you should sell them." And I said, no one's gonna buy caramel apples. And they said yes. So we started just kind of dabbling in it for the end of November, the beginning of December, and by February we were fully booked for Valentine's Day, about 2 weeks ahead of schedule, and we thought, oh man, we kind of have something big. And then we spent that next year making apples from our house. We grew, we started going to farmers markets, we bought ourselves a horse trailer, we do private events with our horse trailer, we go to farmers markets with our horse trailer, and we remodeled. Yes, my husband did all of that for us, my husband and my aunt, and we took something that we didn't think was anything, and we made a little business out of it. And then I met Kayla, the owner of Power Fit Eats, and she brought us in. She started this really cool market that we have here. You can come in, there are over 14 vendors in Power Fit Eats, and there's just all sorts of stuff in here. But she took in all of these vendors to allow us to cook and use a commercial kitchen and to sell our products in the store. So you should come check us. Yeah.
All female owned.
They are all female owned. You should come check us out. So you can find us on Facebook. That's our #1 place that you can order. Send a message on Facebook. You can comment on the pictures, and we always respond back to you. You can find us on Instagram. You can also find us at powerfiteats.com. You can order apples on the website. You can come into our store. That's where you'll find the most apples. We keep our fridge stocked. We restock twice a week. Saturday is a really big restock day. That seems to be the day that people want to come in and grab whatever flavors they're interested in. You can also pre-order. If you send us a message, you can have a pre-order. You can come pick it up any day of the week. We're open at Power Fit Eats during the weekdays, Monday through Thursday, 7 to 7, Friday, 7 to 6, Saturday, 11 to 6, and Sunday, 11 to 6. So we're open quite a bit. You come right into Power Fit Eats. We're the first fridge on the right.